This is a safe referred to as a ferrule, which was manufactured somewhere around mid-1800s. Rolland safe acquired it in 1919 due to a renovation at the Napoleon house down in New Orleans. The folklore was the safe was placed there by Nicholas Girard, who was the mayor of New Orleans in 1850. And it was determined that this safe would be the safe that would be used by Napoleon, the Emperor of France, when he moved to Louisiana. Unfortunately, Napoleon expired 2 days before the transport ship, captained by Dominic Hugh, who was the half-brother of John Lafitte, the pirate. This is evidenced by the fact that one of the 4 Napoleon death masks existing in New Orleans Cabildo is a gift to Nicholas Girard from Napoleon's family as a gesture for his kindness to come pick the emperor up. So this safe is referred to in our company as a Napoleon safe. You'll notice its ornate features, and on top of it is actually natural marble polished and cut to fit the safe.